How to cancel ChartExpo single-user subscription for Excel. ChartExpo offers two types of subscription for a single user. One-time subscription, subscription for 1 month only. Monthly recurring subscription, subscription renews every month. First, we will discuss how to cancel a one-time subscription. Click on the menu icon. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. Cancel at the end of subscription period. Note, once canceled, you will be able to use it till the end date of your subscription. Immediately cancel. Note, once canceled immediately, you will no longer be able to use it. You can choose either option. Please choose a reason for your cancellation and let us know if you have any feedback. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. Click on the Yes button. Click on the Close button. Your subscription has been canceled. Now, we will discuss how to cancel a monthly recurring subscription. Click on the menu icon. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. Please enter the reason for canceling your ChartExpo subscription. Click on the Yes button. Your subscription has been canceled. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.